Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. I hope everyone's doing awesome today, guys. Now today I want to review a lot of parts for my TRX4. Now with all the mods that I've done, it's kind of heavy on all the stock parts that they have from Traxxas. So upgrades is the answer. Now what you see here, it's an outer portal gear. So this thing connects to the tire and this gear goes out in the portal. And these are all the stock Traxxas ones, all four of them. And they have been replaced because what happens is, I'll show you guys. So with all the weight, sometimes your RC gets stuck. So this thing gets curved or it becomes, damaged sometimes. And the tires go wiggly, when you try to run the RC. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to upgrade. And another part is, this is like a whole one piece. So the only thing you gotta do is put the bearing in and you're all set. So I'm gonna show you guys today how to install that. And it comes in a packaging like this. 2 of them you can get for pretty good price. And another part that I want to review today, guys, is the TRX4 outer portal drive housing, front or rear. Now these things are aluminum, really good. They come with all the screws that you need, so I'm going to review that as well. And apart from that, I'm going to show you guys all the mods that I've done in my E-Revo. So stay tuned today on my channel, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Peace!